Hello friends, today we are going to see how to give a star delta starter power wiring connection. This is a lesson 3. Remaining 2 lessons is on the description. Please watch that. You take any kind of 3-phase motor. The motor terminal has 6 wires from inside the motor wiring. Let's start how to give a connection on the motor terminal. Uh, you connect the motor terminal link like this. This is called a star connection. Actually, the motor terminals are marked as U1, U2, V1, V2, W1, W2. We have given the link like this. This is called a star connection because that other end are linked, means that U1, U2, V2, W2. All the terminals are linked together. So the remaining 3 terminals are, we need to give a 3-phase connection. Next we are going to take a look about delta connection. We have given the link like this is called a delta connection. How to make this link a delta connection? Let's see a detailed explanation. This picture clearly shows how the motor winding will make it star, either star or delta. We make the connection like first left side picture. We give a 3-phase line like this. Then the next right side picture shows the star connection. That L1, L2 and L3 is the connection terminals. You take a look at this, how to make the terminal links are either star or delta. I give the clear picture. Then you have noticed before that motor terminals have 6 cables outside. We take the 6 cables outside, then make a star delta connection in the panel. How to make a star delta connection in the panel? How to make a star delta power wiring in the panel side? By using this contactor, relays, overload relay and main isolator. I have taken here MCB. Let's see how to make a connection. I named here whatever the contactor I taken. I named here one main conductor, one delta conductor, one star conductor, one is overload relay. Let's start with give a connection. The right side MCB is main incomer MCB. That U1, V1, W1, U2, V2, W2 are motor terminals. Let's start the connection. First I give 3-phase RYB. I have taken 3-phase connection in the downside of the MCB. Then I make a connection to the main conductor from the top side of the MCB and give a same phase sequence like this RYB. Then that main conductor terminal, downside terminal, is the connection given to overload relay. Then the bottom of the overload relay connection given to that U1, V1, W1. Now the motor terminal one side end connection finished, means that U1, V1, W1 connections are finished. Let's start that. We will give to the another end. That main conductor RYB had top side RYB. The same loop will given to the delta conductors top side terminal RYB. Now that main conductor and delta conductors top side connections are finished, then the remaining star conductor, that U2, V2, W2, that connections are remaining. Let's see how to give that connection. Then we make a loop like this from the bottom side of delta conductor to that star conductor bottom side, the same phase sequences. Okay, then we make a connection to that top side of star conductor. We make a loop like this, means we short that top side of star conductor like this. 3 ends are need to short like this. Then this connection is very important for the star delta. Now that phase sequence, that how to change that phase sequences in one terminal is also very important. Let's watch how to give that phase sequences. First you see that U1 has red phase. So we never give that red phase that U2 terminal. So we give that red phase to V2 terminal. The loop like this. So the V2 terminal have red phase. I will make a connection like this. Please watch that connection. That remaining two phases are giving like this. V1, that V1 terminal has yellow phase. So I give the connection that V2 terminal red phase. Now you will understand. Each winding need to connect. Each winding requires 415 volt AC. So we make a connection like this: U1, U2. You watch that connection: U1, U2, R and B. Then V1, V2, Y and R. At last, that the W1, W2 is blue and yellow. So we now that power connections are finished. So thanks for watching. If this video is useful, share to your friends. Thanks a lot.